Good morning, Divas. I just woke up probably about 30 minutes ago. It's 6:30 a.m. It is Monday, December 24th, Vlogmas day 23. Sorry guys, I'm still a little, So I wanted to go to Walmart. Me and my husband are about to go up there to pick out some last minute items for cooking because we plan on cooking for things. Ooh. For Christmas. It's Christmas, y'all. So I plan on getting ready, but I wanted to show y'all this supreme level of wrapping. Like, your girl is an expert. She has attained expert level. Let's see how it looks for real though. Ooh, ooh, there we go. Hairstyle is back in action. And it looks real good. So yeah, we are headed to Walmart. I just wanted to show y'all the takedown of my hair before we go ahead and go up there. My husband just got back from filling his tire with air. You know how it is in the wintertime where your air pressure is a little iffy. So he went to go adjust his air in his tires. And we're headed to Walmart right now. Get my orange shoes. Get my orange shoes. Headed to Walmart. I stand corrected. I thought we was going to Walmart. We going to L-Mart. It only got the L-M-A-R-T lit up on the lights. I'm ready now. I had to take my purse off. I do green. We heard this stuff was good, so we're gonna put this on our turkey. This air fryer, thinking about getting this one. It's only $100, but we're gonna keep pricing them out. I've been wanting an air fryer for a long time, and my husband's finally on board, so he wants this Power Quick Pot as well. We're gonna keep pricing them out until we see what we find and buy from there. This is cute. Yeah, we would never buy that. Bless this mess. No thanks. I had to go get my safety glasses. I didn't want to be crying because of the onions. So we're gonna stuff the turkey, season it real good, and let that marinate for a while. I like seasoning. So I'm gonna use some seasonings here. We'll use some garlic powder, black pepper, we're running low. Mrs. Dash. Then we got that chicken seasoning. And seasoning salt. And we'll be using this Twisted Crazy Chick lemon garlic seasoning that we got from Walmart. And this Creole style butter injectable marinade as well. We have onions, red bell peppers, and Granny Smith apples, along with a green bell pepper. Oh.
Buffalo turkey. We got buffalo turkey.
You can, but you ain't gonna want to have it.
Because last time I did it, it didn't turn out good. I think I got the keto from utilizing wisdom from my mother.
Got any apple juice? That's what we were supposed to buy. And some almonds. Green bell peppers. Thanks for cutting these for me.
You don't have to put it all.
Okay. You throwing this away? That's to make the ice cream heart. I think you should keep those because I really like both of them. My favorite, aloe vera gel and aloe vera juice for my hair. So we have the turkey prepared, and we are going to put it in the fridge, and it is ready to cook tomorrow morning. Hey y'all, so we just finished doing the turkey and getting that all prepped and ready to go. We plan on doing the greens a little bit later today, possibly tonight, so that we can go ahead and get those cooked down. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and chill. We're going to the movies in a few hours, so I'm just gonna rest and try to kick my feet up until then. I don't wanna go to sleep during the movie, so I think I might take a little nap because I went to bed late and then I woke up early, so I might be a little tired, but I'm gonna go ahead and take a little nap, a little sleep, and then I'll be right back and we'll see what we're doing from there. Hey y'all, so it is 11:30 a.m. We are headed to the movie theater so that we can go watch Aquaman, so we're headed there now. Go to the kiosk. Yep.
All
Love you too.
All right.
Bye. Love you too. Bye. All right, y'all, we just got home from the movies not too long ago. About to cook down these greens. We found it easiest to buy the ones that are already cut. So we just, they're already cut and washed, but you can wash them and then cook them. So we have them started up. My husband actually started with the seasonings, but we have a nice little broth, a nice concoction going on. So I'm not saying that. No, you're gonna get me a thumbs down. We can't say that on my channel. That does not exist. There is no such thing. But yeah, so we're about to do that and hit you guys in a few. All right, I'm behind you. Made 2 cakes, lemon and a strawberry. They look good. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out today's vlog. Yeah, we just had a nice little chill day at the house, then went to the movies. And so yeah, we're gonna finish the greens. I made the cakes, so then I do plan on cooking early tomorrow morning. So I will record that for you guys so that you can see me as I cook. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Peace.